I feel very lucky that I got machines this morning. I got 2 front loaders, the tiny ones, and 1 top loader. And they have the prices on there, but once you add anything like hot water, I didn't even do an extra rinse, which I usually like to do, and 3 loads of just jeans and shirts and socks and underwear, the minimum so I can get in and out of here, is $13 just for the washing machines. I'll be lucky if I can get a dryer. They have couples in there where the husband is standing by a dryer, and as soon as it empties, he yells at his wife and she runs and gets stuff out of their, or they've already got stuff in their basket out of the washing machine. They're just waiting on a dryer, and they're tag teaming. I may be here a while, or it may go just fine, but it is what it is. I highly recommend that you don't have to do laundry in Quartzsite during the big tent. And also, I'm having to do that because I was sick since December 27th through the middle of January, and have not had a chance before my Tyson Wells book signing booth to get laundry done. So this is what I'm doing this morning. You know, and to be honest, I should tell you guys that when I pulled in and I usually have my laundry and everything sorted ahead of time. But when I pulled in and I had to start sorting my laundry, I at least got a parking space. Now there's no more parking. So, and when you're driving an RV, that is treacherous. So I at least got a parking space, and I was happy for that. But the place was so crowded. Oh, it's okay, Bendito. He says, Mama, it's people. My rig is a mess. And you okay, buddy? He says, no, Mama, I'm not okay. There's people out there. Anyway, I had a slight panic attack, and I texted Jana, and I said, this place is so crowded, I don't know if I can do this, but I don't have a choice because I need clean clothes. And she was very supportive and said, you've got this, and it really helped. And I just decided that if I had to, I could wait for a machine. I could do one machine, switch out everything all day long, and be here all day long if I needed to with one machine. Turns out I just did the minimum, and I got the machines I needed. But I just wanted to share that I did have a panic attack, and I thought, I can't do this, and I forgot to wear my earplugs in there, and with everybody yelling and everything, I really needed them. So I'm going to put my earplugs in, and I am not at Tyson Wells today because this afternoon the winds are supposed to be sustained 27 to 29 miles per hour with gusts up to 60. So we secured the tent and the canopy as best we could before we left yesterday, and we feel really good about how secure they are. Plus Joan is there, and she'll let us know if anything happens. But it's all good. Life on the road, you just do what you have to do when you have to do it. This is my 10th winter in Quartzsite, and I have to tell you guys, leaving camp this morning, driving in the dark, it was treacherous. I missed the road a couple of times, and I was like, oh, I'm on a lane, not a road. And by lane, I mean the areas in between the washes, which is where everybody parks. And I realized that I needed to get back on the road. And I've been out here, and you guys know how many trips we in and out to town we make. And it was still disorienting driving in the dark coming into town. So especially if you're a newbie, try not to ever drive after dark or in the dark in the desert. Just not worth it. Whoa. There. It's a little bit sunny. The sun has come up. I am finished at the laundromat. I was fortunate to get 3 dryers. I had to wait a little bit, no biggie. And that cost about $5. So for 3 loads, it was about $18 total, which is about $6 a load. It is one of the biggest expenses on the road, but it is done. It is so packed in there. And now I've just got a few more. You want to come say hi? Hang on, y'all are fixing to get blinded. Shut your eyes. The little boy says, I want to come say hi, Mama. I know. You saying hi? He says, where'd you been? Yeah? He smelled. He said, That's him saying good morning, everybody. Sorry about the sun. Well, I can't hold it there. Here, let me put my hand there. If I put it on the window, then it won't move. I'm so sorry. You want to say hi? You want to say good morning? Yeah. Did you have a good time while I was in the laundromat? Yeah? Oh, good. I know. Okay, that was easy peasy, and it is not crowded at the stores yet. Woohoo! There's little boy. There's little boy. He good boy. He says, I hate that camera, Mama. I'm pulling in here to Patty's to get propane, and I just realized I left my step and my handle out. Going back around because the tank, their gauge, their meter is broken on, just broke on that side, the rig in front of me. So take two, but at least it allowed me to put my step and my handle in. Got that done. Now I'm headed to RV Relief for water and dump, because I do not want to deal with the lines at LTVA South. Look how dirty Phoenix is. Out traveling these dirt roads every day. I'll give her a bath soon. All done, and we get to head home. You wanna go back to the North 40, Bando? Let's do it, buddy. Okay, go. Good boy. January, quartzite swells by at least 750,000 people, sometimes 1.5 million. And I am getting home back out to the North 40 by 9 a.m. And that is the only way that I would have been able to go in town during the big tent event in the Tyson Wells Cellarama. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But I will go back out here to the North 40 and get to relax this afternoon in my rig. Griggle and I will wait out the winds that are supposed to come by noon. Now they're saying they might even be 35 miles per hour sustained and 65 mile per hour gust. So really glad, sorry about the shade, the sun. Anyway, I'm really glad to have my errands done, and hopefully I can get a video uploaded with the wind and not having Starlink, because I left Starlink is at Tyson Wells so we can run the credit card machine. I'm not sure if I can get a video uploaded, and I am filming this on Monday. So I think you hopefully will see it on Tuesday, but it depends on the internet. But right now, headed to the North 40. Bandit and I are home. And you would think that this was a day off since we closed at Tyson Wells because of the high winds this afternoon. But it's not really a day off, because now I have to put the laundry up. I need to do some housekeeping. I need to touch base with some family and friends, because it's hard for me to stay in communications with people during the Tyson Wells event, the Cellarama, and my book signing. And let's see, do dishes. Hopefully mop, we'll see. And of course, get myself ready for tomorrow. And in between all of that, eat somewhere this evening. I mean, not out somewhere, but eat somewhere in that schedule this evening, and just typical day in the life stuff, whether you're in sticks and bricks or an RV or wherever. Life goes on, and I'm getting caught up today on a bunch of stuff, and it feels really good. Oh, plus I need to publish a video and edit another one. Yeah, there's no day off. Little bit windy.